driving off into the sunset. What do you guys got to say?
It was great.
Great?
That was the most chaotic car meet I've ever been to, but it was lit.
All right, we are at some family's casa, and little extra portion of the video. Little M3 competition. And that beautiful black. Nice grill. So you're definitely kind of a white car man, it looks like.
Yeah, I like white. There's two sunroofs. I couldn't get this one wrapped fast enough to get it. It was kind of a, well, it was still a, I think they call it Nardo gray.
This one, the A7?
Yeah, it was a cool gray color, but open what?
Oh shit, you get all the window controls back here. That's
What is this, a 2024 or 5?
4. Only had 6,000 miles.
what kind of engine's in it?
I don't know.
Like supercharged?
S-Line.
That's not supercharged, is it?
I don't know, but it does have the little here.
Okay.
Seriously?
More than this?
Hello. Audi Quattro, V6 twin turbo.
Where the turbo's at?
Call Evan and tell him to come down here.
Oh, that looks like an aftermarket intake if I've seen one. It
Oh my goodness, we're going in.
Oh, if it just starts playing music, you can tell.
Twin turbo.
Comes with its own bracket.
Must be fast. Horny already.
You want the hood open to start it or no?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
An earful, that's what we came here for. We'll accept an earful.
All our stats and whatnot.
M3 competition. M3 competition test drive.
Yeah.
With the fam.
With the fam.
Do fam.
With
Doosin!
With the boys.
Where's my stats at, yo?
Move it, Joker!
It's like his, where you touch the button and it goes to rear wheel drive.
Yeah.
I don't even know what just happened. 517 horsepower. It gets better.
I've never felt it this fast. Every time I've been in it, it's been hot out. Yeah, it's fast. Oh yeah, we're in boost weather. We've been in boost weather. It's
I
fucking.
know.
Oh yeah.
My car's been appreciating it.
Dude, my car's been getting slippery because I have no traction in my front tires. Slippery?
Yeah.
That's actually nuts. I thought it was it.
We surrender!
Sorry.
Sorry!
Sorry. You spin tire all-wheel drive?
Dodge M1.
Oh. I'd be sitting in that one.
I promise you would.
I love the like cracking sound.
Currently in a 35. There he is. I actually think he's deaf. Let's give him something to hear.
Oh yeah.
Or feel.
What do you think it's gonna make with a downpipe and taking it to?
I don't know, but I can't void the warranty, unfortunately. It's fucking 800 horsepower.
He's not coming.
Say buddy.
800 horsepower.
Look at the video. You can't see anything.
Oh my gosh.
Windows?
Yeah,
Yeah.
in the video you really can't see.
These guys were going this track.